Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you how to make some little boxes out of cards. Or you can cut some of the pattern paper to make a little box. I'm going to be using Curiouser and Curiouser by Graphic 45. These little boxes are just so cute. You can decorate the top. That one just has a key in it. So to make these, you're going to need your scoreboard. You want to take one of your cards. You want to score a 1/2 inch on each side. This will be your drawer. Like that. Then on the other two cards, you want to score on the 3 1/2 side at 7/8 and 2 1/2 on both of these. So 7/8 and 2 1/2. If you decide to use the pattern paper, you just score the same. Take one of your 2 1/2 by 3 1/2 pieces of pattern paper and score a 1/2 inch on all 4 sides of one of them. And then on the 3 1/2 side, you want to score at 2 1/2 and 7/8. So 7/8 and 2 1/2. Then you want to grab your paper trimmer. And then take your two that you scored at 7/8 and 2 1/2. And from the score line, you want to cut it a 1/2 inch out. On both sides. And both cards. Same on the two cards. From the score line, cut out a 1/2 inch. So then take your card that you scored on all 4 sides at 1/2 inch and fold on all the score lines. Then you want to cut diagonally each corner to the score line, all 4 corners. So I usually glue my shorter ends in first. So put a little glue on the tab. And glue it in your corner. I usually just clip mine in place. Then do your other side. Let that dry. Grab your 2 little cards, fold on your score lines. I must have forgot to trim this one. So take one of your cards and apply glue to one of the tabs. Glue it to the other card's tab. I usually clip mine together. Then I add glue to my other tab. Stick them together. And clip them. While those are drying, I'm going to do my pattern paper. Fold on all 4 sides of the drawer. Cut diagonally to the score line, each corner. So I'm going to take my card drawer. I'm going to glue down the outer tabs. On both sides. Let those dry. So now my outer card box is done. Take my pattern paper drawer. I'm gonna put glue on the two little shorter tabs. Both sides. Now my little drawer's done. It goes right into my box. Now you can put a little drawer pull on. Like that. And decorate the top. So now for your pattern paper one, it's just the same. Fold your outer box up on the score lines. Apply glue. Add your top part. Do your other side. Glue down your other tabs on your drawer. There's your little drawer box. Goes right in your little box. And it's ready to decorate. I have a tutorial for this one on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see how I decorated it, this one, you untie it, and then this folds up and tucks in and turns into a little easel. And then when you pull the drawer open, there's a little accordion mini album in it. That pulls out from the pattern paper. Some of the ephemera. A key from the ephemera pack. Some of the stickers. Then it just ties back up. It goes right back in the drawer. And then this just folds back under. And the back looks like that when it's closed. This one, I just decorated the front and back. And then this one, use some of the fussy, cut out some of the images from the paper and use some of the ephemera. This one's also a little easel card. So that folds back. And the back looks like that. And this is the front. If you can dream it, you can do it. Then it just ties shut. Like that. And this one, I have another little mini album. That's just from the paper collection. The front has a card, and this is from the paper collection. Then a key and the little rabbit. When you open it, it has a little tag that pulls out there. You can write notes in here. Little pocket on the last page. And on the back, I put that little image. And then it just ties back shut. Put my little stamps in there. Goes back in the drawer. So these ones would be really cute to decorate out of the pattern paper instead of the cards. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you for watching.